June 5th, 2026, Middletown, New Jersey. A woman walked out of a ShopRite with $524 in unpaid merchandise. Same store, same method. The prior Sunday, an officer reviewed both incidents on surveillance before making contact in the parking lot. The real issue is not whether the theft happened. It is whether the evidence chain, a Miranda gap, and one specific aggregation provision under New Jersey law change what this arrest is worth in court.
Hello, how you doing? Hi, how you doing, miss? All right, what's going on today? So everybody knows my body camera's on and recording, okay?
So I observed her in the liquor store with a full cart. It was $500 and some. I went and tracked it back real quick, and it turns out she came from an aisle after making a couple selections and right out the door. So she got to her car and she was loading it up. Gave me enough time to go back and watch her and see that she didn't go to a register. So then when I got to the car, she didn't have a receipt, and then she said, "I think I forgot to pay." So she said it's her first time, but I just went back on her on Sunday, and I have her doing the same thing on Sunday.
Okay. You have a driver's license?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a receipt for how much?
Today's
was
was
$524, but I'll get the paper for
One in the past? Okay.
Yeah.
For the one in the past, do you have the video you could provide to
well,
us?
I have I don't have it done. I mean, I don't even have today's done yet because I went back because she said she's never done this before, so I wanted to see if this was a one-time deal or if this was more. And it turns out she was here Sunday and did the same thing. So here, if you look at Sundays,
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have
Are
5 kids.
Are they with you?
No.
Are they being taken care of right now? Okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. You came here by yourself, right?
Yes.
Yeah, there was no one else in the car.
Okay.
Yeah, so this was Sunday. I can show you today, but this is Sunday. She did the same thing. She selected, she has a full cart. She has the kids with her, which I didn't think she would do anything with the kids, but, so she's gonna come out of the aisle, and she's right here, and she goes into the liquor store.
Okay.
Do you have an ID on you, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
This is last week, though?
This is last week. I can
Okay.
show you today. I
Okay,
just wanted
so-
to just show you that she's been doing this.
So for today, I just need the receipt for
Yeah,
today?
he went out to get you the
Okay.
receipt.
I'm
They
gonna-
had to ring it up. It was $524.
And as far as, you said Sunday? I'm just gonna need the value for everything on that
It's
as
gonna
well.
take a while. So
Okay.
it's gonna take a while to put together,
Okay.
because we have to reenact the whole thing and then shop
Okay.
the order. And I have a feeling we're gonna go back, it's gonna be a lot. So do you want my guy to put it all together all the times and then reach out to you with all the video and the receipts?
Well,
Well, we need,
Work on
we'll
today.
handle today first, and then,
worry about that.
and then if you can't finish for the previous ones, we still have identified her, and then we can handle that separately, okay?
Exactly, that's what I figured, we'll do
Okay.
today. So I can burn the video for you and drop it off. I don't know what time you're on till, but I can do
Okay.
it today for you.
Okay.
He's getting you the receipt.
Okay.
They have
524.37. The system froze, so they're rescanning it.
Okay.
To give you give you the paper, but that was when you can see the total on there.
Okay.
They're gonna redo it.
So I just want to reiterate before we're done here, she left with $524 worth of alcohol product. Went to the car, you stopped her before she departed the store.
before she left, yeah.
Okay.
Asked her for a receipt, and she could not provide one.
Okay.
And, which I already knew she didn't have one because I watched her, I just went back and reviewed video real quick.
Okay.
And she
How old
didn't.
is
I'm 35.
35?
Okay. So we're gonna take care of this part, and then I'm gonna have some paperwork, as you know,
Yep.
for you to fill out, and then yeah, we'll be on our way. Okay.
Okay, did you want to see today's, just for your?
Yeah, if you want to show me that real quick,
Okay,
that's
sure. All
fine.
right, so, let me just go.
The exit.
Yep, let me just, well, it's gonna be a little bit because she went to the liquor store, so I gotta switch systems, so, shit.
No knives, nothing like that on you, right?
No.
No? Okay, I'm just asking.
I just want to make sure, you said you have 5 kids. They're taken care of, right? Like you don't have any responsibility to be. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
I just have my son's christening Sunday.
Okay. That's no concern for right now. We'll be all right.
Do you live down here now, or are you still in New York?
Well, I live here.
Whereabouts?
Middletown.
Okay.
Okay, so this is her in the liquor store, and I'm gonna go back and show you selection and everything. So this is her buying, she bought a bottle, which is in the car. And then today I will fill it, I will get you in aisle.
So a purchase was made today?
For the liquor, and that's not included, that, I left that in the car. She did
So
pay for the liquor.
that's not part of the 524
It's not part of the
total.
500, yeah.
Check the area, GOA.
Okay, so that's her going out with the product. So now when I backtrack it,
That was at 501, that was today, right?
that was today. At 5:01 is when she walked out. So she goes in, she purchases a bottle, or she gets a bottle, she purchases it. Now I'm just gonna spin around because when she walks in, then I just have the time that she comes in, because everything's good there. Okay, so 557, or 457.
400.
Hey, Deb.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Appreciate it.
There's the receipt. Hi, how are you doing? There's the receipt.
I just want to reiterate, this doesn't include the bottle that she did pay for, right?
Yeah, it's, that's in the car. Okay, so that's the cart right there.
Okay.
She comes along the back. She's gonna go up the pet food aisle, which is right here. You see her coming up. Okay, she's gonna go any registers. I have her right there, and that's when she goes into the liquor store. And she picks up her selection. And the food can't be purchased in the liquor store. So here she, all right, so I'm switching over to here. So now she waits in line for the liquor. She gets up to the liquor, pays for it. And then front end. I think it went faster, right?
Yeah.
This should be her. Yep, and that's her going out.
Okay.
Okay, I'll burn everything for you for
Great.
today.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. And then we'll worry about the other stuff. We'll put that all together and I
Yeah.
just reach out to you?
Yeah, you could just do a follow-up call, and then
Okay.
they could go ahead and
Perfect.
handle that separately.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give you that paperwork, but we're gonna handle her first, then I'll come back in,
Okay,
okay?
you need a statement, right? I can
Yep,
start
the
that.
written statement.
Yep,
I think
that's
I
fine.
have
it.
Do you have them?
I think I made
Alright.
copies.
At 9 minutes and 58 seconds, the arrest is announced. New Jersey Statute 2C20-11 subsection E codifies the shopkeeper's privilege a merchant or officer with probable cause to believe a person willfully concealed unpurchased merchandise may take that person into custody and detain them in a reasonable manner. Every element in this footage satisfies that standard. Personal observation, LP corroboration, receipt confirmation, real-time CCTV review, no receipt produced by the subject. Still, the shopkeeper's privilege is for investigation only. The moment handcuffs go on, the encounter shifts from detention to custodial arrest. That shift carries a constitutional obligation the rest of this footage will test.
Miss, you are gonna be placed under arrest for shoplifting, okay? Do you mind just taking the bag off?
Yes, but I'm just
You want to look at your phone so you don't pocket
Sorry.
down?
Yeah, would it be okay if I called my husband?
We could do that at the police station.
We're not gonna do it right now.
I don't know.
Here, well, I'll take it. It's fine.
I'm-
Alright. You just gotta take the purse off.
Thank you.
You can just put your hands behind your back.
Anything else in your pockets or anything like that, man? What's your purse? Gina? Okay.
Is this too tight for you?
No.
You got small wrists. I'm just making sure they're not hurting you.
Alright, she used the right form, so I'll come back and bar for you.
I just need you to roll this up. You're open. Here, I need you to face your wrist out. Probably be a little less, or a little more comfortable that way.
Thank you.
Hold on, I gotta. Alright, remember out this way. I'm gonna grab your purse.
You're good.
Alright, remember out, make it right. Yep.
I'll be right back, Jeff.
Set police car right there. We're gonna go into that. Hold on, wait, slow down. We're gonna go on the opposite side, okay? Wait 1 second.
Will I be out by today?
Yeah, like 2 hours maybe?
Here, I'll take the pocketbook for you. You got a fleet kit?
Yeah. Can you just pop? Can you open? I got it.
Fleet kit, but
Alright.
I'll get it for you.
Thanks.
That's my keys goes to. That's great.
It's the heat.
31 Orange County, call over this phone number.
Good.
Yeah, I'm just gonna reach, put your seatbelt on, okay?
63531 feet is from that subject all the way around, please.
Alright. Should be like 2 hours, okay? Thanks, bro.
Just make sure you search this inside. Oh, what do we got here?
You said what?
Just make sure you search
Yeah.
this now. Alright.
She had enough money to pay for groceries. Jeez, it's a lot of cash. Everyone 42 account of a female 41.
I'll get the statement and everything else for you.
You sure? Just a statement of the vine, and then that's it.
Yeah, I'll get the Vine statement, tab stuff for you.
Thanks, bro. Are you with
Did you
us?
get the printout? Yeah, I'm staying over tonight.
All right.
What was the total amount?
I have it in my pocket. I gotta look. It was like 5. It was just over 5.
Okay, so it's better. I'll try to mark the other numbers. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. What was your first name again, miss? Spell it. Jeana. Your last name? Yeah.
31395 County.
DICA? That's fine. DiCarlo?
I'm not sure if this is a traffic complaint. Heights Terrace and Salmonport. The caller said there's a traffic jam, and the caller was told there's a fight in the area. They said to go up Twin Brook, and the vehicles are up and down the entire street.
Issue 1. Probable cause. Terry versus Ohio requires reasonable articulable suspicion at the point of first contact. Personal observation of a subject bypassing every register, confirmed by real-time surveillance, meets and exceeds that bar. While the officer had not yet reviewed every camera angle before walking out, the LP had already established the pattern, and the subject's inability to produce a receipt completed the probable cause picture on the spot. Issue 2 charge grade under New Jersey Statute 2C20-11. When merchandise value exceeds $500 but falls below $75,000, the offense is a crime of the third degree. $524 clears that threshold. Third degree in New Jersey carries 3 to 5 years state prison exposure. The prior Sunday incident adds another dimension. The same statute permits value aggregation when acts are committed pursuant to one scheme or course of conduct. Two incidents, same store, same method, potentially one charge calculation. That said, aggregation requires a prosecutorial decision. The Sunday footage had not been fully compiled at the time of this recording. Whether the state proceeds on both incidents separately or combined is a charging call, not a certainty yet. Issue 3, Search Incident to Arrest. Chimmel versus California holds that a lawful custodial arrest permits a full search of the person. The cash found in the subject's pockets during that search is admissible. That cash carries weight beyond admissibility. It speaks directly to intent. The statute requires purposeful deprivation. Having the funds to pay and choosing not to documents willfulness in a way a defense attorney has to address. Issue 4, Miranda versus Arizona. The custodial arrest is announced at 9 minutes and 58 seconds. Through the full 20-minute recording, no rights advisement is audible. Post-arrest statements elicited through questioning, rather than volunteered spontaneously, are subject to a suppression motion. While none of the post-arrest dialogue here appears to be formal interrogation, the subject did respond to officer questions after arrest. The absence of any audible advisement creates an avoidable exposure point that a defense attorney will flag. The officer in this footage builds the evidence case methodically. The decision to review Sunday's CCTV before making contact is exactly the kind of investigative discipline that separates a solid arrest from a challenged one. The narrow concern is procedural. Best practice after placing cuffs is to administer Miranda on camera before any further exchange. Not because this case turns on those words, because documented early advisement removes every ambiguity before it can be raised. The subject cooperated physically, did not resist, did not attempt to flee, and did not conceal or destroy evidence at the point of contact. Those are genuine credits that a defense attorney will use at every stage. The false first-time claim, however, was directly contradicted by Sunday's footage that the officer had already reviewed before making contact. A demonstrably false statement in the first minute of an encounter damages credibility through every stage of prosecution that follows. First lesson. For law enforcement, probable cause is airtight here. Documentation is thorough. The one correctable gap is Miranda timing. Administer and record rights advisement immediately after cuffing, every time, regardless of how cooperative the subject appears. Second lesson. For the public, retail surveillance at major chains runs continuously, and loss prevention reviews footage in real time. A first-time claim at the point of contact will be tested against that footage within minutes, sometimes seconds. Third lesson. For prosecutors and defense attorneys both. New Jersey Statute 2C20-11's aggregation provision means separate incidents at the same store, captured on time-stamped surveillance, can be combined into a single charge calculation. The Sunday incident is not a separate problem. It is part of the same case. If there is a stop, a detention, or a use of force encounter you think deserves this level of analysis, leave it in the comments. Constitutional law does not enforce itself. That is what these cases are for. Thanks for watching.